Hi guys, Alpha Wolf here. Please take this video very serious. For those of you guys that follow my channel, you're a crypto investor, you are newbie in the crypto space, you have bought some cryptocurrencies in your wallet, in your centralized exchange wallet that you want to hold. Please make sure you move those cryptocurrencies from your centralized exchange platform to a trust wallet. It is very important. A lot of people have lost all their crypto investment because they foolishly left their cryptocurrencies in a centralized exchange platform. Some centralized exchange platform will block you. They will freeze your account for reason best known to them when you are trying to do a transaction. In fact, in some cases, some centralized platform have gone bankrupt where maybe there is something goes wrong with the cryptocurrency and people want to quickly remove their money. There's a way they can do it. They can block you from transferring your money immediately and you will just watch the coin dump on you. It happened during the time of Terra Luna, right? So the point I'm trying to make is that when you have cryptocurrencies and you have plans to hold these coins for a long period of time, maybe like your Bitcoin, your Ethereum and co, it is not wise for you to leave it on centralized exchange platform. For those of you that don't know what centralized exchange platform is, platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Luno, KuCoin, Kraken, those kind of Gemini, those platforms are called centralized exchange platforms. They are created by an individual and they allow people that have interest in cryptocurrencies to set up and create accounts there. You are not the one controlling your account. You only have an account with them, just like the way you have a bank account where you have an account with the bank, but the bank controls your money, so they can freeze your account at any time. They can take out of your money. They can do whatever they like. But when you want to be in charge of your investment, I advise you to put your money in a wallet. There are two types of wallet. We have the cold wallet and we have the hot wallet. We have hot wallet like Trust Wallet and MetaMask wallet. Those wallets are very good. Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet. There's one I'm trying to remember. I can't remember the name. If you remember the name, please leave that in the comment section for all that. But those wallets, when you put your money there, you control your money. Like you can literally track your money, unlike putting your money on centralized exchange platforms. So the wallets are like putting your money in a piggy vest, in a safe, in a colo. Every day you are seeing your money. Nobody can touch your money except the person have access to your wallet, and the only way they can have access to your wallet is if you release the password of your wallet to them, right? That is the safest way to save your cryptocurrency. In fact, the best is to put it on a cold wallet, but I'm not going to talk about that in this video because a lot of people cannot even afford that. But the point is, make sure your cryptocurrencies, majority of them, the ones that you are holding, are not in your centralized exchange platform. What I do is that the money I use for trading, the cryptos that I'm currently trading for short term, I leave it in centralized exchange platform, and the ones that are my investment, I move it to a trust wallet. I hope you find this video meaningful. If you find this content helpful, please like this video, share this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.